Now the latest on the legal battle over shoreline access in Rhode Island.
This week, a federal judge dismissed the lawsuit that challenged the new law, which clarified which part of the state's shoreline is considered public. 12 News reporter Kayla Fish joins us now with how both sides are reacting and what happens next. Kayla?
I spoke to State Senator Mark McKenney, one of the original sponsors of the shoreline access bill, which became law earlier this year. He says he feels the judge in this case made the right call.
I'm happy with any decision that's going to allow this law to stand, because this is a law that benefits so many people in Rhode Island.
A challenge to Rhode Island's new shoreline access law struck down in federal court. The new law clarifies where the public has the right to access the shore, a right included in the state constitution as the recognizable high tide line, or the seaweed line, plus 10 feet.
In Rhode Island, it is the people that own that area, and we've now clarified it such that they can enjoy it as they are supposed to.
But property owners have pushed back. A group known as the Rhode Island Association of Coastal Taxpayers sued the Attorney General and other state leaders to try and block enforcement of the law, claiming it illegally takes their private property without paying for it. But this week, a federal judge dismissed the lawsuit, claiming the group didn't have the standing to sue the defendants because they're not the ones who enacted the law. An attorney representing the property owners says they're disappointed in the decision, going on to say the group's members, quote, will not give up their constitutional property rights.
We did not take anything away from people. I would submit that those rights have existed going back to colonial times and before.
Senator McKenney applauded the decision, as did Attorney General Peter Nerona, who said in a statement his office remains committed to protecting Rhode Islanders' rights to access the shoreline. But it doesn't look like this battle is ending anytime soon. The attorney representing property owners told us they will now consider alternative legal options. In studio, I'm Kayla Fish, 12 News.